Hey guys!
Today we are making a Nestle Toll House pie. I never made this before, but we have a pie crust we need to use. I saw the recipe, so I was like, oh, that sounds good. It's basically just cookie dough inside of a pie crust. So it's like a cookie pie.
It's a cookie cake almost, just a pie crust. Like,
yeah, so hopefully it's good.
What if we should have got frosting?
Oh yeah, you should have gotten ice cream. We could go back to the store.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that sounds really good.
Yeah, I was asking, do you need anything?
I was multitasking. We can just go back to the store.
Go fresh.
So our eggs ended up being expired and we didn't realize that, so Brandon ended up going to the store to get eggs, and then he's also getting ice cream while he's there. So I guess it worked out. I have this mug and I made some hot chocolate. It's actually collagen hot chocolate, so I just warmed up some oat milk and then I put in some chocolate collagen powder, and then I put in some marshmallows, and then I have this matching sweatshirt. It's so fun and festive. I also found this recipe online and it's a really popular recipe apparently, but I'm swapping out all of the sugar for Swerve. It's basically a sugar-free replacement. They use erythritol / monk fruit and it's really good. It tastes just like regular sugar. I'm using the brown sugar and then the regular sugar replacement, and I literally use this for everything and it tastes normal. Like today I made pork chops and I used the brown sugar and mixed it with a bunch of spices to make like a brown sugar rub, and it literally tastes the exact same. It's so good. So, and then I'm also using just like regular gluten-free powder to replace it. Brandon found these gluten-free pie crusts. The brand is called the Main Pie Co. I've never tried this before, but hopefully it's good. He found it and he was like, oh, we should try this. So I was like, yeah, that sounds fun. I feel like Christmas has come up so fast this year and it's so hard to be in the holiday spirit. And I'm just like, why? Like, I want to be in it, but I'm just like, it's hard to be in the holiday spirit. And I'm like, maybe it's literally just this season of my life. I'm not a child anymore and I don't have kids, and maybe that's the next step to being in the holiday spirit, is literally you have to have kids. I don't know, like I feel like I'm trying to force myself to be in the holiday spirit, you know what I'm saying? I don't know if anyone else can relate to that, but it just doesn't feel the same as it used to. And it's not like I'm mourning anything necessarily, it just feels weird and like it just came so fast. It feels like it was literally just September. Like, it's so strange. I don't know. It's hard to comprehend how fast time is moving. I don't know, it's creepy. Okay, we have all the ingredients set out. First we start with the eggs and we crack them in here. We beat them till they get all fluffy.
Ooh.
Now we add in the half a cup of flour. Now I'm adding in the brown sugar and the regular sugar. Half a cup of both.
Wow.
3/4 cups of butter. This one is in a heart. See, it's so cute.
I thought it was about to fall.
Okay, now for a cup of chocolate chips. These are the Lily's chocolate chips. Okay, it's all ready. This is what it looks like. And we're gonna pour it into the pie crust. Okay, here's the pie crust. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks really good and smells really good too. It literally looks like cookie dough on a pie, but a little bit more creamy obviously because it's like pie filling, but it looks so good. It's kind of weird because it doesn't have baking powder or baking soda in it.
Huh, so it may not rise?
I mean,
well, I guess it shouldn't rise too much.
Yeah, because it's like kind of still pie filling, but cookie dough. I don't know, I've seen pictures of it and videos and it looks really good. It still looks like cookie dough texture, but
It smells like cookie dough.
Yeah, so I guess we'll see.
How long is that to cook?
Let me pull it up.
Hopefully not like 2 hours.
55 to 60 minutes.
Oh.
55 to 60 minutes? That's
It's a long
forever.
time.
Okay, we better get going then, because like, I'm ready to eat this.
And it won't be ready till almost like 10:30.
55 minutes! Woo! That was embarrassing.
That gives me major the Christmas brownie video vibes.
Yeah, if any of y'all know me, you know of the Christmas brownie video I made in middle school for a speech class. If not, if you don't know what I'm talking about, then you can look it up. It's called Tatum Graham Christmas Tree Brownies. But it's really embarrassing. Like,
Yeah.
it's definitely like...
That was close though, you just did.
Yeah, what I just did was like the same vibes, but honestly, the person I am now is like the same person I was
In
back
8th
then.
grade.
7th grade.
Yeah, a lot of character development there.
Yeah. Okay, see you in 55 minutes.
That's literally the same.
You want to try the batter?
It's good.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
I feel like it tastes like straight up butter.
It tastes like sugar to me. Oh, butter and sugar, yeah.
Hopefully it's good. It's done. Well, we need to see if it's
Ready.
a toothpick will go
Yeah,
through
where's the
it or not.
toothpick?
They're over there. I have them. But okay, look at it. It looks so good. Let me show y'all.
Ah! Comes out clean. It's done.
Okay, it's done. The toothpick came out clean. It literally smells amazing. I'm so excited.
How long do you have to like wait till you eat it? Like cooling or whatever.
A few minutes. We have to let it cool for a few minutes and then we're gonna eat it with cookie dough coconut milk ice cream. It's dairy free.
It smells yummy.
It smells so good.
Yeah,
I'm so
I'm
excited.
excited.
It's been a few minutes. We're going to cut the pie. I'm so excited. It's time for a taste test. It looks amazing. I'm so excited.
You got your bite ready?
I want to get a scoop of ice cream and a scoop of pie. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
Do you like it?
It's good. It's less cookie texture than I thought it would be.
Yeah, but it's good.
Yeah, the taste is good.
I like it. That's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.